Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be making Thai Basil Pork Stir Fry. What we're gonna need are pork tenderloin, red bell pepper, onions, 3 cloves of garlic, Thai basil, soy sauce, cornstarch, sweet chili sauce, and of course, as given for savory dishes, pepper and salt. So, without further ado, let's start. Okay, first, we're just gonna dice this up. Okay. I want big chunks for my stir fry. Okay. Garlic. Chop it. Chop some garlic. Okay. That's it. Let's cut up some red bell peppers. Remove the pith because you don't want your dish to be, or food to be bitter, because this white thing called the pith makes your food bitter. That's why we want to remove it. Now we're just gonna dice it up. Sure. Yeah. Dice it up. Okay. Just gonna dice. So now we're gonna slice the pork into 1-inch cube. And pieces. Right. Just cut against the grain. Put this in a bowl. Just gonna season this with salt. Salt, black pepper. Cornstarch. Mix it with your hands. Pan. Heat your pan. Keep it nice and hot. Once it's nice and hot, you add a little bit of oil. Let's brown the meat. Brown your pork. Ooh. Add onions. Add garlic. Okay. You can smell onions, garlic, pork coming together. Add the red bell pepper. Add a roasted peppery flavor. Add this sweet chili sauce. Del Monte, baka naman. Add a little bit of soy sauce. Well, good. Right. Roughly the seasoned with pepper. Want more peppery flavor? Make this up.
Ayun. Bigo.
Time for taste test. One of the best dish that I've ever tasted. Gosh.
Ito sa ilang kay para na katas mo.
Good. It's good. Honest.
Oh.
Pero di bias ang kon?
Di ka bias sa imong kagalingan.
Mo na pumunta na kung David. How was it, David?
Napagani ka daw.
Tell me your honest opinion. Good? Honest? Yeah. That's all for today, folks. That's our Thai basil stir-fried pork. Let me know in the comments down below on what you would like me to cook next. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit the notification bell icon. And sayonara.